Multiply 484 by 3.14 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 8 plus the carried 1 is 33. Put 3 in this column and carry 3. 4 times 4 plus the carried 3 is 19. The first partial product is 1936. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. The second partial product is 4840. Now use the hundreds digit, 3. Start two places to the left. 3 times 4 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 8 plus the carried 1 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 3 times 4 plus the carried 2 is 14. The third partial product is 145,200. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the tens column, 3 plus 4 plus 0 is 7. In the hundreds column, 9 plus 8 plus 2 is 19. Put 9 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus the carried 1 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, 4 plus the carried 1 is 5. In the 100,000s column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 151,976. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 151,976 becomes 1,519.76. So 484 times 3.14 is 1,519.76.